Today we are going to study case study number 671, handmade paper industry. So let's start. Handmade paper industry Handmade paper industry is one of the oldest traditional industries in India. With the sustained efforts of KVIC during last decades, the industry had gained importance and had been recognized as one of the potential industries under the KVIC despite its sickness in several pockets of the country. With better planning, monitoring, coordination, and pooling of resources, it is possible not only to revive the sick units but also expand the activities throughout the length and breadth of the country. With better planning, monitoring, coordinating, and pooling of resources, it is possible not only to revive the sick unit but also expand the activities throughout the length and breadth of the country. With better planning, monitoring, coordination, and pooling of resources. So we have to plan, monitor, coordinate, and get the resources, whatever is required. The industry is eco-friendly and adopting a holistic market approach with active involvement of entrepreneurs, artisans, dealers, printers, exporter, NGOs, etc. So this is eco-friendly and not creating pollution, and it is holistic and it is involving everyone, every stakeholders. With the revival program of KVIC, there are 438 working units. So 438 companies are there in India for handmade paper. 231 HMPI and 207 paper machine units, which have achieved a publication of paper board to the tune of 1200 356 tons handmade paper or board valued over rupees 1506 lakh during the year 1999 and 1993-94. So in 1993-94, the uh, turnover was 150 crore. Sorry, 115 crore. The industry has provided a gainful direct employment to around 6,000 persons, of whom around 40% constitute women workers. So majority of the women, they are getting employment in this industry. Or many women are getting their livelihood opportunities from this industry, and persons from weaker sections of the society. So poor people plus women are getting employment or livelihood opportunities through this business. The pattern of local production is as follows: high grade paper 20%, writing and printing 5%, fancy and decorative paper 10%, filter paper and filter pad 5%, card sheets and boards 35%, cover stationery, cover and stationery 20%, industrial paper 5%, total 100%. The conventional raw materials used by the industry are old and new cotton rags. Old and new cotton rags are used. Waste paper is used. Jute is used. Grass is used, and straws are also used, but on a very small scale. The industry requires nominal investment and working capital. It requires equipment like hand knives, the dhanki for pulping, pumice stone for hand glassing, chopper, Hollander beater, and hydraulic press, calendaring machine and cutting machine besides paddle operated unit, vats in place of dipping method, vats for sheet lifting. KVIC has also approved introduction of cylinder mould vat up to 30 face size as a part of adopting intermediate technology. So this is technical part. UNDP has also assisted the growth and development of handmade paper industries, particularly in the Sanganer of Jaipur, Rajasthan. All India Handmade Paper Industries Association Kagzis of Sanganer offers a strategy for market development as the immediate objective of the project was initiated. UNDP has also provided exposure to the entrepreneurs, though participation in New York paper stationer. Marketing rural non-farm products 85 show in May 1992 and other international and national trade fairs. Handmade paper department Sri Arvindo Ashram, Pondicherry Handmade Paper Institute, Pune, and new few units of Kalpi UP have made significant progress in the field of marketing of products. Shankar Gramodyog Seva Sansthan, Hapur UP AL Paper House, Sanganer Jaipur, Pawan Patram Kalpi UP, Swastik HMP Unit Kalpi UP, etc. have their export houses. There are about 45 HMPIs units in Kalpi UP. However, over 90% units are defunct today. That means they are not working. 95% uh, companies are closed down. They have shut down their operation, stopped their operation. Only a few units have their proper marketing approach and manufacture as per the market demands, while most of the units are using outdated technology of production, low product profile, and offer poor quality products. Now, on this case study, we have some questions. Suggest a suitable marketing strategic plan for marketing of handmade paper and board. Discuss the prospective marketing mix of handmade paper industrial products of Kalpi units. So there are two questions. First of all, they are asking suggest a suitable marketing strategic plan for marketing of handmade paper and board and discuss the prospective marketing mix of handmade paper industrial. So in the second, it is straight like marketing mix they have asked for handmade paper industrial products of Kalpi units. And in the first, they have asked strategic marketing plan. So this is the solution to this case study you will get in the next video. So till then, you subscribe, like, share, and comment on my YouTube video, and keep watching.